Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 to be properly enabled. If these settings aren't configured, you'll see the error. Follow these steps. Hopper 1. Check if Secure Boot and TPM are enabled. 1. Press WinR, type msinfo32, and press Enter. 2. Look for Secure Boot state should say On, TPM Trusted Platform Module should say Ready, Available. If it says Off or Unsupported, continue with the next steps. Target 2. Enable Secure Boot in BIOS UEFI. 1. Restart your PC and press the key for BIOS UEFI, usually Dell F2, F10, or ESC. 2. Go to the Boot or Security tab. 3. Find Secure Boot, set it to Enabled. 4. If it's grayed out first, change boot mode from Legacy CSM to UEFI. Save changes, restart, and go back to enable Secure Boot. Enable TPM 2.01. In BIOS, go to Advanced Security or Trusted Computing. To enable TPM 2.0, sometimes called PTT on Intel or FTPM on AMD, save changes and restart. 4. Clean boot keys. If Secure Boot still fails, 1. Enter BIOS again. 2. Under Secure Boot, select Install Default Keys or Clear Secure Boot Keys, then reinstall them. 3. Save and restart. 5. Update BIOS and Windows. Update your BIOS UEFI firmware from the manufacturer's site. Update Windows to the latest version. 6. Reinstall Faceit Anti-Cheat. 1. Uninstall Faceit Anti-Cheat from Windows settings. 2. Delete leftover files from C Program Files Faceit AC. 3. Download the latest version from the official Faceit site. Please open your app to see this link. Final check. Open system information again. Verify Secure Boot is on. Launch Faceit. The error should be gone. If, after enabling Secure Boot and TPM, the error still appears, it usually means Windows is still running in legacy BIOS mode. In that case, you'll need to convert your disk from MBR to GPT using MBR2 GPT tool, then re-enable UEFI plus Secure Boot. Do you want me to also give you the exact steps to convert MBR GPT